Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 2nd. The Zen story for today is titled The Master with Four Legs. He had been sending letters for months. Whenever a villager passed through the clearing, delivering rice, offering herbs, asking nothing in return, the monk would press a folded slip of paper into their hands and say, "If your road takes you near the southern monastery, please leave this with the gatekeeper." Each letter was written in the same spare, careful hand, each addressed to the old master he had once studied under, whose voice still echoed in the back of his thoughts during long meditations. The letters spoke not of achievement, but confusion. He wrote of his retreat to the forest, of silence gone strange, of the fox, wild and half-seen, a riddle with pause, of the things that disappeared and reappeared different, of the sense that something was watching him, a life he did not understand. And then, toward the end of one letter, he added, almost impulsively, "If you choose to visit, come on the night of the full moon. I leave the lamp lit." The moon came and went. No reply. He sent more letters, never received one in return. Then, one night, he prepared as if the master might come anyway. He swept the floor 3 times, lit incense, set 2 cushions, brewed tea from the older leaves, the kind reserved for guests who mattered. The moon rose, full and bright, casting silver shadows against the walls. He waited, and then there was a sound outside, soft, definite. A figure approached through the clearing, low to the ground, fluid, no robes, fur, the fox. It stepped into the doorway without hesitation, looked around the room slowly as if evaluating the preparation. Its gaze rested on the 2 cushions, then on the tea. The monk felt disappointment rise through his chest like smoke that had lost its fire. He had wanted it to be the master. He had imagined robes brushing the doorframe, a familiar voice clearing its throat, the weight of lineage entering the room like a second spine. Instead, the fox across on the empty cushion. It did not blink. The monk exhaled, soft, long, as if letting something go that had lingered too long in the lungs. The fox closed its eyes. The monk poured the tea, only 1 cup. He didn't know why. He drank it slowly. Somewhere in that stillness, between breath, between sips, he felt something familiar settled around him. The weight of attention, the shape of presence, as if someone was watching him not to correct, but to witness. Not a lesson, not a koan, just a sense that nothing needed to be said. He looked at the fox again. The candlelight shifted slightly, and for the briefest flicker, less than a blink, he could have sworn the face across from him was not entirely animal. And then it was gone. The fox stretched once, walked slowly back into the dark. The tea had grown cold, but it didn't matter. The cushion still held the shape of something that had once known how to bow. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes, and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. How does it feel when you recognize something very familiar in a stranger? How does it feel when you recognize something very familiar in a stranger? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How does it feel when you recognize something very familiar in a stranger? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.